Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be discussing how to earn money online by freelancing. In the current era of digitalization, freelancing has become an effective mode of getting work done. Not only does it provide you with the much-desired flexibility of working according to your own schedule, but it also opens up an array of opportunities to earn money online. So, let's dive deeper into the world of freelancing and find out how to earn money online through it. 1. Find your niche. The very first step towards freelancing is finding your niche. You need to decide what services you can offer to people and in what field you want to specialize. You can offer graphic designing, content writing, social media management, video editing, programming, and many more. The key here is to find the domain you are interested in and have expertise in. 2. Create your portfolio. Once you have decided your niche, the next step is to create an impressive portfolio that showcases your skills and work. An online portfolio can be created on websites like Behance or Dribbble, and the portfolio should be designed in such a way that it stands out and highlights your expertise. 3. Choose the platform. The next step is to decide which freelancing platform you want to choose. Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, and Guru are some of the popular platforms that offer numerous opportunities to freelancers. Each platform has its own features, and you should choose the one that best aligns with your niche and services. 4. Start bidding. Once you have chosen your platform, it is time to start bidding on projects that match your skill set. Make sure to read project details thoroughly and provide a competitive bid. It is essential to showcase your expertise while bidding and convey that you have the necessary skills to complete the project. 5. Deliver on time. Once you have secured a project, make sure to deliver the work within the given timeline. It is crucial to keep the client satisfied, as positive feedback can lead to more work opportunities. I hope you found the information useful and inspiring. If you're interested in exploring these topics further, don't forget to subscribe my channel.